You guys have a great day. Bye. Wow, that is amazing. Hello, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, just to let you know, my channel consists of unboxings, all sorts of boxes. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants. So with that being said, today we are going to open up Lavish Bath Box. I do not remember how much this box cost. I will find it and I will put it on the screen. But with that being said, let's dig on into it. This is my first box with this. This is my first unboxing with this box. So let's see, I have not opened it yet. I did slice that little thingy. And now it's going to be difficult getting into. Wow. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I open it up. And right on top, it says, "Happy Birthday, Lavish." This is the March 2019 Lavish Bath Box. I do apologize, I am using new lighting. I am actually blinding myself. It is a very dreary day here in Ohio, so natural lighting just wasn't an option today. It is Friday, if you notice. I'm a little done up. It is date night. But if the lighting is off, I apologize. I didn't know what else to do, because if you have been to my channel, you know that unboxings is fairly new to me, and trying to figure out a setup that is not in the car or in a restaurant, it's a little weird for me, so hopefully this lighting is okay. And on the back, you have all of your products, but it does not give a breakdown of the price, so we are just going to wing it. Okay, and again, you know, we have all these little thingies. I don't know what you call them. And then this, it says hand soap instructions, why we love it. So I'm assuming maybe there's hand soap in here. We shall see. All right, so let's try not to make a huge mess. Okay, yes. So the first thing I'm pulling out here is a hand soap container. I'm sorry, that lighting is not very good at all. It says Lavish Ambrosia hand soap. This is empty, so this is just the pump. Oh, okay, I see. That's what the instructions on the back there. So that is this. Ambrosia hand soap. I am so sorry about that lighting. I don't know how to fix it. Let's see. Ooh, what a mess. Oh, that smells so good. Citrus? I want to say oh, yes, it's citrus. It says rosemary lemon, but it was the rosemary that was throwing me off. Oh, that smells so good. I love that. That is really nice. Yeah, and it just says Lavish Ambrosia hand soap. These eco-friendly refillable foaming hand soap dispensers are an exclusive collaboration. Just mix 1 bottle of included concentrate with water. Switch scents as often as you'd like without waste or sacrificing style. So that's cool. And it says use our coupon code to purchase additional scents or refills through June 1st. Sure, which code? There are a couple of different codes here on the back. I am not entirely sure. Oh, it must be, duh. It's this one down on the bottom. It's Ambrosia Soap Company. All right, so the next thing I am pulling out here is a Flirty Bubble Bar. Handcrafted bubble bar. And it is by Zeep. That is so cute. I don't know if you can tell, but this is kind of glittery down here. I cannot really smell anything through the plastic, and I am not going to open it up and get it all over the bed. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is, oh, what is this? Aquamarine You Are the Bomb Bath Bomb Confetti Push Pop. That is interesting. I have never seen anything like this. I am so sorry about that lighting, you guys. Maybe if I pull it back a little bit, you can see it. That is really cool. I can't smell that through here either, but obviously I'm really not gonna open that because that will make a huge mess. It says, after filling the tub with water, take lid off and hit the bottom of the stick to pop the fun into your bathtub. Enjoy. So I'm assuming it's just one use. I don't know, but that's kind of, I've never seen anything like that. Okay, digging on in here a little bit more. Oh, it must be their 3rd year. Happy birthday. Let's see, this is 3rd Times the Charm Bath Bomb. Happy 3rd birthday to us. This gold painted bath bomb is scented in bright sparkling champagne, crystal peonies, and almond cream on the base of amber sandalwood and musk. I wish I could smell it through the packaging, but I can't. But that's cool. Another bath bomb. The next thing I am pulling out of here is, oh, Epsom soap. Vanilla cake Epsom soap, or Epsom salts. That's cool. And it does have a, I'm gonna open this and smell it because it does have a thing where I can seal it back up. Oh. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. It definitely smells like vanilla cake. Wow. Feeling smitten. Handmade, relaxes and soothes. That's really cool. I like that. Okay, and ooh, let's make sure that's closed. Wouldn't want to spill that all over the bed. And then the next thing I see in here, cupcake frosting fluffy whipped soap. And that's interesting. That's oh my goodness. That smells exactly like frosting. Oh, that is to die for. Absolutely to die for. I want to stick my tongue in it. I know that's probably weird to say. I'm sorry. Wow, that smells so good. So just to kind of refresh what we got fluffy whipped soap that smells like cupcake frosting. We have a bath bomb push pop. It's so neat. We got a hand soap dispenser along with hand soap that smells really good. We got 2 bath bombs. Not sure what they smell like because they are wrapped really well and I can't smell. And then we have the Epsom salts bath soak that smells so good. It smells like vanilla cake. I don't think I've ever had bath bombs replicate so well. Smells like this. I really like this box. If I have, I'll definitely be keeping this box. I mean, at least for 3 months, at least. So if I have a sign up code, I will put it down below for you guys. And that is all for Lavish Bath Box. I really like this box. I am definitely keeping this. Wow. You guys have a great day. Bye.